Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write leave application for one-day leave to the principal of your school. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. In this video, I have written an easy, simple and short application that will be easy to remember and also easy to write. By the way, when are you going to take leave from your school? Let us know in the comment section below. Let's start with the application. To the principal, write the name of your school followed by the address of your school. In the next line, mention the date on which you are submitting the application in the format date, month and year. Subject: request for one-day leave. In the next line, respected sir or madam, you can write either of them depending upon the gender of your principal. In the next paragraph, I am, write your name. A student of class, mention the class. In which you are studying, and roll number. Here mention your roll number. I kindly request you to grant me leave for one day on mention the date on which you are going to take leave or was absent from the school. As I am, here mention the reason. For example, if you are not feeling well, you were sick, or attending a family function or any other personal reason, you can mention the reason for which you are remaining absent on that particular day. next paragraph, I assure you that I will complete all the missed lessons and assignments. I would be grateful for your kind consideration. In the next line, thanking you, yours sincerely, write your name, your class, and your roll number.